Hey guys, I got stuff for my birds. I did get cocktails, which is so much fun to have birds with. They're not trained yet. I'll make another video about my cocktails, so please enjoy. So what I basically got here was a little snuggle hut. I got a snuggle hut. I got a little snuggle hut. I thought they like snuggle with it. Like they need like a place to like snuggle there. And I want to make sure it's nice and safe for them. Like I want to make sure it's the best brand ever. So the reason I'll tell you at the end. So on the camera it looks kind of teensy, but it's a pretty good size. It's a very good size. It's really a very good size. I'll bring it up. It's a pretty good size. My hand. Oh. So it starts. Let's see. About right there. Right here. Right there. It starts from right about there. Then it goes to, let's see. Right here where my finger is. So it's a pretty good size. And let's see what it says here. So it looks like for cocktails and conures. And let's see what it says. And I can't really go outside, as you hear. Any of you guys hear the thunder? It's like a thunderstorm. So birds love hiding. It's the surface. Birds love hiding, playing, or sleeping in the warm and cozy, soft fleece, and okay, I don't know. Sturdy and plastic and sizes keep the shape as pets are inside and out. Wash weekly, hand wash and air dry for birds' safety and inspect for torn and damaged, replaced when protect is worn, picked, a port or damaged. And what's it called here? So it's called Snuggle Hut. It's for conures and cocktails. So that's my first gift for them, and it's their 4th birthday. So of course I had to give them a gift. Okay, so of course I had to give them like a nice gift. So let's see here. There we go. There we go. So this is kind of like a piñata thing. It has this little stuff on the bottom that's like a tear up. It has like this little. It has this little stuff that's like tear up. I like pull that out and they tear up a lot of stuff on this. And they have this little stuff that's like netted with all kind of colors and stuff like that. And got to get something to hang that up with, like a bread tie or something. So what it says here, piñata. This is gonna be hard to read. This is gonna be good. Oh, that's the follows my stuff. Okay, so it's backwards. It says Piata again. It's parrot party time. Fun to chew and to chew and full of surprises. So I thought that was a nice little gift for them. It's for parrots, but just have to make sure it's for Scoop. And I got the medium size. I'm pretty sure the other one was like for parrots. So just have to make sure it's safe for them. And I'm pretty sure it's safe for them. Every single bird toy is safe. Just have to make sure it's safe for them. Okay, we got here was a kind of scoop kind of thing, and let's see. And I love this brand. It's Active Bird Toys. You see that birdie right there, so that's why I think it's this bird. So it has little jingle things right here that they like play around with. So it's like on one side it's red and yellow, and on this other side it's green and blue. And it's for cocktails, but I'm pretty sure it's fine for I'm sorry, for parakeets. It's for parakeets, but I'm pretty sure it's fine for cocktails. So I'm pretty sure it's safe. So what I got here was there's these little jingle balls on the bottom, and there's like this little bell right here. You guys probably can't see the top. Actually, no, that's not right, but it's kind of like a bell, but it doesn't really have that top on it. And it has these little things that they can jingle on, and like just like doing that. It's like a hoop. It's like it goes with a hoop. Just like a little bell here. And now I'll go through how much stuff was. So let's see how much this stuff was. So let's see here. We got stuff. Okay, let's see. So the PetSmart. Okay. So let's see here. How much was this stuff? Trying to find how much this stuff was. So let me see if I can find it. Try to find stuff like this from I do it before. Bird toy sleeper. I can't remember what this thing is, but I remember how much this stuff was, at least. So, this was $5 for this little sleeper. $5 for that. This was, let's see, $3, I think. It's $3, yeah, it was $3. That's what it was. And this was $6, I think. Yeah, it was $6. It was $6. $6 is like $6 for this little thing. And has a weaving. So thank you for watching everything I got for my birds. And thanks.